তরঙ্গ। ভাব তরঙ্গ, দ্য সিজনস অফ সোল। স্ক্রিপ্ট দীপান্বিতা সেনগুপ্তা, coordinated by Bharshati Sengupta and Nilanjana Kundu. Voice over and audio edited by Bharshati Sengupta. Lights Shapnin Mukherjee. Choreographed and mentored by Dipannita Sengupta. Performed by the students of the Kaleidoscope Dance Academy. Prakriti Ghosh Chaudhuri, Shwikha Shankar, Sunayana Sarkar, Leah Roy Chaudhuri, Anushka Chatterjee, Vivan Mago, Indrakhi Ghosh, and Bharshati Sengupta. Backstage help Aishwarya Shankar. The journey from darkness to light is the eternal quest of human soul. But this light resides within. Deep within us lie layers of dust that dim our inner spirit. To cleanse this soul, we seek the touch of a divine flame, a fire that does not consume but purifies, a fire that does not destroy but illuminates. This evening, we present a dance invocation based on Rabindranath Tagore's timeless prayer, Aguner Poroshmani.
Aguner Poroshmani ছোঁয়া প্রাণে এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন